I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports Touch ID and that it's charged. This prevents interruptions. Once done, update the OS and clear moisture or oils from your finger so sensors read clean prints. Now open Settings, choose Touch ID and passcode, and enter your passcode. This authenticates you. Start the Add Finger option and position the pad of your finger on the sensor briefly and repeatedly. You'll feel a vibration or see progress. That feedback shows the sensor is capturing multiple angles. You continue by slowly lifting and repositioning your finger each time to capture varied contact points. That's how the system builds a full map. Make sure to include the pad and the sides so future touches register even with slight rotations. If your device asks for partial adjustments, follow prompts. These refine edge data. Once the progress bar completes, assign a clear label like right thumb so you know which finger is saved. This reduces confusion when you manage multiple prints. You finish by testing the newly added fingerprint across unlock, payments, and app authentication. Try a few realistic touches to confirm consistency. If it occasionally fails, delete and re-enroll the same finger, adjusting angle and pressure during scans, or enroll an alternate finger for backup. Make sure the sensor and finger are clean, and remove any screen protector that covers the sensor area. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode or contact support, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.